Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Saifullah from Sktacademy.com. In this video, we will discuss roof tool in Revit Architecture. So, from the drop-down menu, you can select different type of roofs. So, first we will discuss roof by footprint. Revit has a cool feature by giving a notification if you are doing something wrong or something that you don't know. So it will give you a notification. Like if you see we are in level 1 and Revit gives us a notification that you are in the lowest level, and roof normally starts in level 2. So if you want to switch from here to level 2, so you can select different levels. So I will switch to level 2 from here. This is a cool feature Revit has. Now there are few options, one in the contextual tab by draw, another in the options bar like define slopes, overhang, and the third one, the options are in the properties palette. So we already have different type of roofs. Like for example, we have generic 9 inches. I want to make changes, and I want my roof to be 8 inches thick. So here we don't have 8 inches or 6 inches. We already created 6 inches, so we can change it to 8 inches also. So I will edit type first, duplicate and generic 8 inches, and edit its structure type, and here we have to enter 8 inches. Now our roof thickness is 8 inches. In the draw options, you have two options. You can draw by line, by rectangle. You also can pick walls or pick lines. So I will select here pick walls. Later we'll discuss these options. These are very simple. Pick wall, and now in the options bar you can define slopes to each side of your roof. For example, I am defining slope here to all sides, and later we will discuss overhang. You also can change its ratio, the slope ratio of a roof. I selected 4 walls, and here we have to finish edit move. Switch to 3D view to see how it works. Switch back to level 2, select roof and delete it. Again roof by footprint, pick walls, define slopes, and I want an overhang of 2 feet to each of the side. So this will be overhang. Now finish edit mode and switch to 3D view to see how it works. This is the overhang of 2 feet to each side. Again to level 2 and select roof and delete it. Roof by footprint, I will pick walls, but I don't want my roof to be a sloped shape, so I will uncheck slope, and I want an overhang of 2 feet. Now again pick walls and finish edit mode. Switch to 3D view to see how it works. This is our roof without slopes. Again to level 2, select roof. You also can edit your roof or your boundary. For example, I want to select these two lines and I am giving it a slope of. You also can change its slope ratio. So we selected two walls, two sides, and applied define slope and finish edit mode. Let's see how it works. Switch to 3D view. This is how it works. Later I will show you how to extend wall to roof. Switch to level 2, delete it. Again roof by footprint. You also can draw rectangle, so our overhang will switch to offset. You will see there will be no overhang, so I will select a rectangle. Now you don't have overhang and we have an offset of 2 feet to each side. If I want, draw here to this corner and finish edit mode. Again to level 2, delete it. You also can I will select a rectangle again, and you also can give it a radius of, for example, I want 3 feet. So that's how it works. But remember, in this case you don't need to give it a radius because this area will be empty. So here we have to finish edit mode and switch to 3D view to see how it works. Switch to level 2 again, select your scope and delete it. Roof by footprint. You also can draw simple lines. For example, I want to draw lines on this point to this point. Sorry, I want a line, but I want an overhang of 3 feet. Now I will select start and radius arc. So this is our starting point, this will be our end point, and now give it a radius. Again end point, and now give it a radius. This is how it will work. Now select simple line and end point. Press escape. So how we will join is, let's select trim extend to corner. Your corners are far from each other, so it will extend to corner option will join it. So this will be the shape of our roof. You also can define slopes if you want. Later we will define slopes. Finish edit mode and now switch to 3D view. So this is how it works. Now switch to level 2. We will define slopes on it. Edit footprint. Now we will select these two and define slopes. Finish edit mode So you can't make in this shape. Cancel it, because I will select these two. Sorry, select again and define slopes. Try this one. You also can't do it. So in this shape is not eligible for defining slopes. You can define one side of your roof. So finish edit mode, and now switch to 3D view. So this is how it works. I will extend walls to roof. So hover your mouse to one of your wall and then press tab and then click on it and attach top base and select this roof. This is how it works. Try different options, so you will get a better result and different shapes. So that's it. I hope you will like my videos. If you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Next video, see you again. Bye.